Cochlear is here to support you and your patients on their hearing journey. In this series, we outline the process, resources, and support available to you and your patients to help ensure a smooth transition to a Cochlear next-generation sound processor. In this final video of the series, we'll cover order shipment and onboarding. Once the patient receives their replacement sound processor, typically 6 to 8 weeks after order placement, they will need to schedule an appointment with you. The exception to this would be a patient who chooses to have their sound processor shipped ready to wear, which means that their current map is loaded onto the new sound processor before shipping. While the patient can immediately start wearing their sound processor upon receiving it, if adjustments are needed, patients can schedule an appointment with you, their audiologist, to ensure their sound processor is optimally programmed. To prepare patients for their appointment with you, their audiologist, Cochlear has a checklist resource that includes commonly needed tasks such as charging the sound processor battery, downloading and logging in to the Cochlear Nucleus Smart app, and bringing the upgrade kit and all components to the appointment. After their appointment with you, patients are ready for onboarding with their new sound processor. Your regionally based Recipient Solutions Manager is available to help onboard and educate patients on how to use accessories, tools, and resources to accomplish their hearing goals through virtual appointments. Examples of session types include Get Started, Mini Mic 2 Plus and Nucleus Smart app, and rehabilitation resources. The team provides the right education and self-serve tools to increase patient satisfaction and confidence in their technology. To schedule an appointment for your patient to attend one of these sessions, please use your region-specific link. If you need your regional link, your Cochlear representative is happy to share it with you. When a patient provides consent, a clinic patient report will be sent to you after the session to facilitate transparency and cross-alignment on care. Cochlear is here to help. If you have questions on where your patient's sound processor is in the process, or you want to learn more about onboarding sessions, please email upgrade@cochlear.com.